Hello from Zlate, pesky, this beach in Bratislava, Slovakia. It is 28th of September 2024. Currently it is 11:30 a.m. and I am exploring the public beach of Zlate, pesky, or in translation, golden sands. There is a very small sandy area only here, Zlate pesky, but there is a large green area here, and even a camping and even a swimming pool with slides as well. So I have been exploring here in this area, and I have been visited earlier the nudist beach, Zlate pesky, that's on the other side. But now I am on the public part of the beach here, and it is not crowded at all for this Saturday, and we have currently just 16 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the lake it is 18 degrees Celsius in Zlate pesky. And it is time for another beach adventure with Chris, the second one from Slovakia, and probably the last one, as I'm only visiting Slovakia for one day, and I'm en route from Skopje. I was in Skopje before, exploring 2 days. I didn't do any beach adventures there, but after that, now this Saturday, I'm exploring Bratislava, and tomorrow I'm heading to Vienna as well. So you will probably see some beach adventures from Vienna on my channel. So yeah, despite being named Golden Sands, there is not much of sand around this lake, but it is quite a nice lake and clean, and I have seen many people swimming around the lake, both naked and clothed. It seems that this part of the lake is a bit more public one, and also on the other side it is used for mostly for nudism. And there is even a wake lake, so that you can do some surfing, lake surfing with so obviously there is no waves, but it is being handled through some rails that you attach yourself to. So yes, so greetings from Slovakia, and I have been several times in Slovakia, but only second time this for me in Bratislava, the capital city, and I'm gonna be exploring the capital city later today. I was here 2 years ago in Bratislava, not on the lake though, because back then I didn't have the YouTube channel with my beach adventures. But now, for me, it's always a must to visit some lake, river, or sea or ocean on the places where I'm going. So this lake over here is actually filled with sports activities. There is a lots of fields for beach volleyball, and even in the lake I have seen this morning some kayaks, and maybe it was also competitions, not just training. And now I see also people swimming as well, which means that the lake is clean and safe. And this is probably one of the go-to spots for the people in Bratislava in the summer months to chill. And it's easy to get here actually, as there is a tram number 4 that gets you here from the center of the city, and the journey takes around 20 minutes, I believe so, and the tram runs every 15 minutes at least for the weekend that I have checked now. It may be even more frequent during the week. I don't know, but yes, then let's, with this view, I'm actually now overlooking the nudist beach that I have visited earlier today as well. So check out that episode as well to see how it is the lake on the other side. And yeah, so this is how it looks like, and perfect for swimming and enjoying a nice day, despite being only 16 degrees Celsius. As I mentioned, in the air, in the lake, it's still 18 degrees and quite easy, quite good to take a swim. So ready, set, go! So nice. So nice and refreshing indeed. Zlate, pesky, golden sands, lake and beach. So I'm assuming this beach is overcrowded during the summer months when it is 30 plus degrees. But yeah, still it was nice for me to visit and to show you two sides of the lake as well. This the public one, and then in my previous episode the nudist beach. Nude plage is called in Slovak language. Alright, so Zlate Vešky, Bratislava, Slovakia. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.